This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 106 of Building the Ford GT. In this issue we're doing what we did last time with the parts we got last time. Just the way this one's going. There we go, looking at the Mustang. Yep. Not the same as the Mustang that I'm building, but similar. There we go. Read all about that if you want to. The building is what I'm here for. This is what we've got, the rear end, and some lights for it by the looks of it. But this is what we're going to be doing, same as we did last time, building up the little air intake thing and installing it onto the other side of the car. So that's it, nice and easy, nice and straightforward, and should be easy because I've done it before. So let's see how easily it goes this time around. So this time's parts are cut off for some reason. The metal end piece, which is going to be inside of there, isn't it? That bit with some lenses, but we're not doing anything with that yet. I think we're doing something with that next time. That would be the system, the plan that we're going to. What we do need is the parts from the time before. So let's open those up and see that it's basically the same as we did last time, but on the other side. So we've got our fake tubes and air intake bracket, two different types of screws. So we'll get with it. The first bit will go on the inside here again, just like the other one did. Like that. There. And one of these screws will put that together. Is it going to be one of these? I might as well use that one out of that packet, then I can dispose of that packet. FP01. Still going to need to open the other one anyway, but you know. Let's get that in there. Not that hole though. This one. Not those two, it's this one here. So that will do that. What have we got there? FD01. I'm going to need that. Not going to need the DO1 because I'm going to use the one out of that. So I'll keep that with that bit for now. But I'm going to need 3 more of these. So this bit, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. So that is going onto here. Exactly the same as the other one did on the other side. So we've got this bit to go on there. About there. I don't know why I bother putting that in place because I know I've got to let go of it to get the screw on the screwdriver. Okay. So that on there. Like that. Now it's not going to go anywhere. Get the last screw from that. Down there. That's that. That goes over the top of it. It goes one way round, which is like that. And then that goes in there like so. The plastic screw. And on this side where the plastic is. And the metal screw, which I did have there, didn't I? Where did I put it? Put it over there, didn't I? There we go. Going into the other hole down this side, into the metal bit. So yes, that was easier than the first one because I knew exactly where the tubes were having to go and where they were fitting in. So that's that. Another issue completed. And that's coming together. So yeah, I think next time we're using the parts from this time to build up the back bit a little bit. So we'll see what parts we're going to get and what we're doing with those as well. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for the next one. Bye bye for now.